Okay, hi everyone. It's Mrs. Brown. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you how to keep score in badminton. What we have here are some players that I've recruited. We have Mr. Potato Head, Buzz Lightyear, Alien, and Zorg. In badminton, the way that we keep score is that we rally it out to see which team is going to serve first. So the bird drops over here, so Buzz and Mr. Potato Head will serve first. As we learned in class, the serve has to be underhand, must go on a diagonal, and past the service line to be a good serve. So in badminton, when your score is an even number, the person on the right serves, and when your score is an odd number, the person on the left scores. So in this scenario, Buzz and Mr. Potato Head are serving first. The score is 0-0. Their score is even, so Buzz will serve first. Buzz will serve underhand to Alien. They will rally it back and forth. And when the birdie drops, Zorg misses it. Buzz's team gets a point, and they will serve again. What happens in badminton is when you serve a point, you get to continue serving until you no longer get points, but you have to switch sides. Kind of like we did in tennis at the beginning of the year. You don't always get to serve to the same person. You have to switch sides and serve from the opposite side. Also, their score is an odd number, so you would want that server to be serving from the left. So Buzz would serve underhand, over to Zorg. They would rally it out, back and forth, and Alien misses it. So Buzz and Potato Head get the point again. So now the score is 2-0. Since Buzz served that point, he will then again move to the right-hand side to serve from the opposite side. His score is an even number. He's serving from the right. Underhand to Alien, back and forth. And actually, we'll pause right there. As you notice, Alien and Zorg haven't switched sides yet because they haven't served and they haven't served a point, which would require them to switch sides. So that's why only Buzz and Potato Head are switching, because Buzz served and he won a point. Okay, so it's 2-0. Buzz is on the right. They serve. Okay, they rally it out. This time Mr. Potato Head misses it, gives Alien and Zorg the point, but also the serve. So now, since the score is 1-2, and it's Zorg and Alien's team to serve, who would serve first? Okay, since their score is an odd number, Zorg would serve first. So he would have to serve underhand over to Mr. Potato Head. They would rally it out until it drops. It drops on this side. Alien and Zorg get the point. It's now 2-2. Since Zorg served the point, he would now switch sides with Alien. Okay, his score is an even number. He's on the right. He would serve underhand over to Buzz, and again, they would rally it out until it dropped on someone's side. Zorg and Alien get the point. They get to serve. Zorg would switch sides. And again, he would continue serving. His score is an odd number. It's 3, and he's on the left. So how does the other person get to serve? Well, we'll show you right now. Zorg underhand serves it. They rally it back and forth. They make a mistake. So Buzz and Mr. Potato Head get the point. And it's now 3-2. And the serve comes over to here. Their score is an odd number. Mr. Potato Head is on the left, who hasn't served yet. So that's how the other person will eventually get to serve. So their score is an odd number. Mr. Potato Head's on the left, and they will rally it out. He'll serve it, and then they rally it out. And then if they make a mistake, it'll give the other team, Alien and Zorg, a point. And since it's a even number, and Alien's on the right side who hasn't served yet, that's when he'll get his chance to serve. Person serving will continue serving until they don't get any points. If you get a point and you served it is when you switch sides. The other team does not move unless they get the serve and they serve a point. It's the only time that you get to switch sides with your partner And that way the serve will always match up with the right even numbers and the right person, or the correct person serving at the correct time. So one other thing that kind of throws a wrench into the plan here is, so Alien's on the right, and Alien score is a 4. If by chance they served out of order and Zorg served it over to Mr. Potato Head when he shouldn't have, and Mr. Potato Head lets it drop, well then they would get the point because Zorg served out of order and he wasn't supposed to serve. So then the point would come to Buzz and Mr. Potato Head, and that would give them an even score, and now it would be Buzz's turn to serve. So then they would serve and rally it out until someone gets a point and wins the game. The game is played to 21 points, have to win by 2. And that's it for badminton. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us via Google Classroom. This video is for Mr. Craig's classes as well as my classes. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Bye.